Looking for a bike that's light on weight, big on adventure, and easy on the wallet? The 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230 might just be your perfect ride. Whether you're new to two wheels or a trail junkie looking for a reliable dual sport, this machine is ready to prove itself on both pavement and dirt. Welcome back to Motomotion, your ultimate pit stop for everything on two wheels. From the latest bike launches to real-world performance reviews, we bring you honest, rider-focused insights that help you choose the right machine for your passion. If bikes move you, then you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230. At first glance, it keeps that classic dual sport DNA, slim, tall, and rugged. But 2025 brings in subtle refinements. The graphics are sharper, the design feels a bit more aggressive, and the new color scheme gives it that fresh-off-the-trail attitude. Powering it is a 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that's fuel-injected and super easy to maintain. It delivers smooth torque throughout the rev range, making it beginner-friendly but also plenty capable when you decide to push it a little harder. This engine may not scream speed, but what it offers is reliability and usable power, especially on the trails. What makes the KLX 230 so popular is its balance. It's tall enough to tackle rough terrain but approachable enough for shorter or new riders. The seat height sits at 34.8 inches on the standard model, and there's even an S version with a lowered suspension for those who want easier reach to the ground. Suspension is long travel, 37mm telescopic fork up front and a unitrack rear shock, giving it the confidence to soak up bumps and keep the ride comfortable whether you're on loose gravel or city potholes. Brakes are solid too, with pedal-style discs and optional ABS that you can count on without killing the fun factor. The digital dash is simple and functional. You've got your speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more in a compact LCD layout that's visible even in bright sunlight. The lightweight frame and upright seating make it a great choice for commuting during the week and escaping off-road on weekends. Pricing for the 2025 KLX 230 remains budget-friendly, starting around $4,999 and going up to about $5,299 for the ABS-equipped version. That makes it one of the best value dual sports in the US market right now. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230 the right pick for your next adventure? If you want a go-anywhere bike that's dependable, easy to ride, and doesn't demand a fat wallet, this one deserves a serious look. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for the KLX or is there another dual sport in your crosshairs? And if you've ever ridden one, share your story with the Motomotion family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because we've got more awesome two-wheeled content coming your way. Until next time, ride safe and keep the Motomotion alive.